So on arrival, we make sure we start to set the towers up correctly, make sure the spirit level's on them, get them all level, the support legs are on. Once that's all done safely, we start to assess the roof itself from the top. So that you can see there's a lot of moss on the roof. We then decide which blade we're going to use. We put it onto the scraper head because we've got 50 different shapes of tiles. We've got a blade for every single shape. The ridge tile is really important. We don't just scrape aggressively with a ridge tile. It's a gentle scrape with a wire brush to start with, and then a little scraper. Ridge tiles can be delicate, so you need to take care. You can see the ridge tiles have come up really well. We then start to scrape. You can see the blade on the head. It fits the tile perfectly, and we scrape the moss all the way down, and we keep bringing it lower and lower, and scraping 95% of the moss off as we suggested. Once we get to a certain level, we bring it right the way to the bottom. It then fills the gutters. We then use the award-winning Skyvac, which basically hoovers the gutters totally clear, not leaving any moss in there whatsoever, and leaving them totally free-flowing, ready for the winter ahead of us. We then apply a mist of water to a roof. This year's been really hot, and if we apply a treatment onto a dry roof, the treatment will burn away too quickly. By applying a fine jet of water, the treatment has a chance to grab hold of the tile and sit on the tile long enough for it to absorb correctly into the tile. Then the treatment starts to work its magic. We apply the treatment. There's lots of ways to do it. We do it through a brush. It's more economical, it's safer, less overspray, and you can see where you're going because we apply it, we rub it, we gently agitate it, and once it's been agitated it foams up fantastically, so you can see where you treat and where you've not treated. One of the main things is doing everything safely. So the towers keep us safe, we never stand on the roof. The visor stops any overspray, and the mask, so I know that whoever works for us is not breathing in any unharmful biocide. So the biocide does grab and stick to the tile for an hour or so, and then it's absorbed fully into it. Then you just got to wait, and the 12 months of magic. Each month the tile will look a different colour, and this is because it removes all the biofilms, lichens and algae, and eventually that roof will look almost new again. It'll be back to the original colour, and most of our clients are over the moon with the results, just as we are.